What's up, guys? Gindas 5 here. And it'll probably be my last day for Team of the Year pack openings, and I'm just probably just gonna open up these two 100k packs and see who I get, and I would do them right now and see who I get. Let's see. And we get Sturridge, who actually goes for some. I think he goes for some. A couple of these guys. Sturridge, he might not go for some. Has up the crash. The market crash, but hey, it's okay for me. We get Eto. Nice. Get Mark Kishi. Who's a good player, and we get a Chelsea player, and I'm gonna yes. Alright, 100k pack, a no look pack. Kind of go through it. And I'm gonna open my eyes in 3, 2, 1, bam. Get Rakitic, and we get Hummels, who's good, and we get Alba, who's a good player. Who is a very good player. We get I don't know how to pronounce his name. I know that he plays for Chelsea, and he's pretty good too. And I think that would be it for this pack opening right here. The foe might go for some. Then okay, we'll go for some. Okay, now for no more 100k packs, guys. Now for the 15k packs, a couple more 15k packs. This isn't a very long video since I'm basically done. Skip pack, we get Ani, who has 5-star skill moves, who goes for something probably. I think that might not be it. Okay, this one. Oh, we get Charlotte. I don't know how to pronounce these names. I'm sorry, guys. And alright, that's our first. Alright, probably gonna open up probably 3 more of these to see who I get. Alright, let's just see what we get, and we get. So, yeah, it isn't bad. It's okay, it isn't too bad. So that's club. Send that to transfer list. Bam. Quick sell the rest. Bam. Another jumbo premium gold pack, a 15k pack. I'm gonna do a skip pack. See what we get. Nobody good, probably. Maybe, I'm not even sure. Yeah, no, well, he has good pace, probably like a kind of back, so, yeah, yes, it's my last pack opening of Team of the Year, so I'm gonna say, oh, and we get an inform, fantastic. Perfect way to well, not a perfect way, but that would be my third inform of the year. I think that's my third inform of the year. So pretty about a good player. I guess he's a discard, but I'll keep him though. So sending that to club. I'm just gonna go through it one more time, just to see if there's anybody good. Nope, guys, and that's it. And that has been my video. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.